Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. I am your English teacher and today we will learn words meaning of unit number 1, Bela's home. The first word is moon. Moon basically is the natural satellite of Earth. It moves around our planet and shines at night by reflecting the sun's light. So we can say moon mean an object which shines at night. Then asteroid. Asteroid basically is a small rock in space, a small rock that moves around the sun. So what is the meaning of asteroid? Small rock in space. Comet. Comet mean icy space rock with a tail. Meteoroid. Meteoroid means space rock that falls to earth. Solar system. Solar system mean the sun and its planets. The next word is stars. Stars basically objects which emit light. So we can say stars basically is a huge balls that produce light and heat. So what is the meaning of star? Objects which emit light. The next word is galaxy. Galaxy means star system. Universe, all objects in the space that include planets, space and stars. So all objects in the space is called universe. Spacecraft, space vehicle. What is the meaning of spacecraft? Space vehicle that used to travel in space. The next word is telescope. A telescope basically is a tool that used to see in large images of far objects. So we can say telescope is a tool that enlarges far objects. The next word is observatory. Observatory means lookout station. So in easy words, I can say observatory basically is a place where scientists study space. Okay, so observatory means lookout station. So I hope you understand all the meanings.